Tired of the usual carbonara? Let's level it up. Today, we're making tina pasta, a creamy, smoky twist on your favorite pasta. Instead of ham or bacon, we're adding tinapa for that bold, rich flavor you didn't know you needed. It's comforting, it's unique, and it's definitely not your usual carbonara. Let's get cooking! Before we begin the procedure, let's first identify the ingredients needed to make tina pasta. For the sauce, we will need garlic, onion, butter, canned mushroom, all-purpose cream, evaporated milk, cheese, cream of mushroom, salt, and lastly, pepper. For the main components of the dish, we will use tinapa, which is smoked fish that gives the pasta its distinct flavor, and linguine pasta as our base. We also need cooking oil for frying the tinapa and additional salt for boiling the pasta. Preparing and measuring all these ingredients beforehand ensures a smooth and organized cooking process.
Step 1. Preparation. For the first step, we begin by washing our hands to ensure proper hygiene and food safety. After that, we prepare and organize all the ingredients needed for the recipe. This includes the tinapa, pasta, butter, garlic, onion, evaporated milk, cream, mushrooms, cheese, and seasonings. Proper preparation helps make the cooking process smoother and more efficient. Step 2. Boiling the water. Next, we boil water in a pot. Once the water starts to heat, we add salt and a small amount of oil. The salt enhances the flavor of the pasta, while the oil helps prevent it from sticking together. Step 3. Cooking the pasta. After the water reaches a rolling boil, we add the pasta. We cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once the pasta is cooked to the desired tenderness, we drain it and set it aside. Step 4. Preparing the tinapa. In a separate pan, we add a small amount of oil and fry the tinapa on low heat for about 4 minutes. After frying, we let it cool. Once cooled, we flake or shred the tinapa carefully, removing any bones and set it aside for later use. Step 5. Making the sauce base. To prepare the sauce, we melt butter in another pan. We then saute the garlic until it becomes golden brown and fragrant. After that, we add the chopped onions and cook them until they become soft and translucent. This creates a flavorful base for our sauce. Step 6. Adding cream and tinapa. Next, we pour in the evaporated milk and cream. We then add the mushrooms, cream of mushroom, and the flaked tinapa. We stir the mixture well to combine all the ingredients evenly, allowing the flavors to blend together, and adding cheese. At this stage, we season the sauce with salt and pepper according to taste. Then, we add the cheese and mix continuously until it melts completely in the sauce, making it creamy and rich. Step 8. Simmering and combining. We let the sauce simmer for about 5 minutes to thicken slightly and deepen the flavor. After simmering, we combine the sauce with the cooked pasta. We mix thoroughly to ensure the pasta is evenly coated. Finally, we serve the tina pasta hot and ready to enjoy.
And that's our tina pasta. Creamy, smoky, and packed with flavor. Who knew tinapa and pasta would be this perfect together? If you're ready to try something new and exciting, this is your sign. Not your usual carbonara, but maybe your new favorite. Thanks for watching.